Francesco loved pasta, oh so much. He'd eat it for breakfast, lunch, and brunch. Spaghetti, lasagna, and penne too, each day a new pasta, his joy just grew. With a twirl of his fork, he'd smile so bright, pasta for dinner felt just right. One sunny day, Francesco had a plan, to cook pasta dishes, all he can. He grabbed his apron and a big pot, ready to make pasta, piping hot. His mom helped him gather all the supplies, with flour and eggs, he'd make a surprise. First, he made spaghetti, long and thin, twirling it around, he couldn't help but grin. With tomato sauce and a sprinkle of cheese, Francesco's breakfast was sure to please. He shared with his family, who loved it so, pasta for breakfast is the way to go. For lunch, he whipped up carbonara, creamy and nice, with bacon and eggs, it was a delight. Francesco stirred the pot with care, creating a dish that was beyond compare. His friends came over to join the feast, this is the best lunch. They cheered, to say the least. In the afternoon, he tried something new, a seafood pasta with shrimp and stew. With a squeeze of lemon and herbs so fine, Francesco's dish was simply divine. The ocean flavors danced on his tongue, pasta with seafood is so much fun. As the sun set, he made lasagna layers, with cheese and meat, it was full of flavors. Layer by layer, he built it high, a tower of pasta reaching the sky. His family gathered around the table, Francesco's lasagna is truly a fable. The next day, he tried tagliatelle twirls, with mushrooms and cream, it made him whirl. Each bite was a dance, a joyful delight, Francesco's pasta was always just right. His friends clapped and cheered with glee, tagliatelle is the best, we all agree. For the grand finale, penne took the stage, with a spicy sauce, it was all the rage. Francesco beamed with pride and joy, pasta is my favorite, oh boy, oh boy. With a full heart and a happy tummy, Francesco's pasta journey was oh so yummy.